Are you curious about the ketogenic diet and its amazing health benefits? Or perhaps you're already a keto enthusiast looking for new and exciting recipes to add to your meal plan? Either way, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of keto and all the incredible foods you can enjoy while following this low-carb, high-fat diet. From creamy avocados to juicy grilled steaks. Get ready to discover the best foods for fueling your body and optimizing your health on the keto diet. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. 3. Benefits of going keto. 1. Weight loss. One of the most significant benefits of the keto diet is weight loss. By reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. This can lead to significant weight loss, especially in the first few weeks of starting the diet. 2. Improved energy and mental clarity. Many people report improved energy levels and mental clarity when following a ketogenic diet. This is because ketones, the molecules produced during ketosis, can provide a more stable source of energy than glucose, which can result in less energy crashes and improved mental focus. 3. Reduced inflammation and improved health markers. The keto diet has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to a range of health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Additionally, following a keto diet can lead to improved health markers such as lower blood sugar levels, lower triglycerides, and higher levels of good cholesterol. 3 best foods for keto diets. 1. Rapid weight loss. A ketogenic diet may lead to faster weight loss due to its high fat, moderate protein, and low carb nature, which puts the body in a state of ketosis where it burns fat for fuel. 2. Improved blood sugar control. For people with diabetes or those at risk for diabetes, the keto diet may improve blood sugar control by reducing carbohydrate intake and promoting the use of ketones for energy instead of glucose. 3. Reduced inflammation. Some studies suggest that a ketogenic diet may reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to a host of health benefits, including improved heart health, reduced risk of chronic disease, and better cognitive function. 3. And here are 3 potential best foods for a keto diet. 1. Avocado. High in healthy fats and fiber, avocado is a great food for keto dieters. It's versatile and can be used in everything from guacamole to smoothies. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are low in carbs and high in important vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to any keto meal. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, macadamia nuts, and chia seeds are high in healthy fats and low in carbs, making them a great snack for keto dieters.